Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Good morning. I wanted to do a video on my go-to cleaning products. As you guys probably know from my other channel, Mowers and Blowers, where I deal with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I'm sponsored by Lucas Oil Products for that channel. Coincidentally, Lucas Oil Products also has a outdoor line division of products, and that concentrates on your firearms. So just coincidence that I also have a gun channel as well on YouTube. So they sent me a most recent product that they give away on their weekly giveaways sometimes. So this is an extra box that they sent me just so I can do a unboxing and video on exactly their cleaning product lineup. So after removing the wrapping, it's a nice little plastic Lucas Oil ammo can that you can use from their outdoor line. Has two clamps here, and of course this ammo can is airtight and waterproof because of the gasket around the edge. Inside we have Lucas Oil metal gun polish. Good way to shine up your firearms. CLP, which is a 4-ounce bottle sample size of their cleans, lubricates, and protects. You guys have seen me use the aerosol spray many a times when I'm cleaning my firearms. And not only does this clean and lubricate, but also it protects it too. Sometimes I just spray this around the lower parts kit and trigger group and fire control group, and just let it sit because it's lubricated with oil in it, you know. Lucas Oil Koozie. This is a cute little swag box that they give you. This is bore solvent. If you have an ultrasonic cleaner, you can put your firearm parts into an ultrasonic cleaner and use a little bit of bore solvent mixed with a little bit of water, and it really gets your firearms very clean. This is one of my go-to items that I take with on the range. A 1-ounce little oiler is what it's called, with a needle at the end, so it gets to very small areas, tiny little crevices where you can oil. This is very, very handy for putting it in your range bag. Also some gun grease. You can oil your buffer tube, your buffer spring if you need to, or other parts such as the BCG, the rails. Just a light touch, you know, use your finger and clean it out. The CLP that I was talking about. A small 4-ounce size of bore solvent cleaner. This is the smaller size to the big one. Just an applicator where you can put other solvents in there and use it as a needle oiler. This is very cool. Outdoor line rag. And a Velcro hook patch for Lucas Oil Outdoor Products. Also a pamphlet that tells you more about protecting the agriculture, hunting, and fishing, and also their main products. Protect the harvest. What's also the best thing that I use that's not included in the kit is your traditional gun cleaner, aerosol. All right, this stuff works like carburetor cleaner. I mean, whatever you spray, it's just going to dissolve and come right off, such as gunpowder residue or grease. It's more like a degreaser, you know. This is similar to their other product, contact cleaner. Now, contact cleaner is great because it works, I feel, better than this, okay? Better than the gun cleaner, but it might be too harsh for your firearms, you know what I mean? Which is the reason why they have a less potent gun cleaner to protect your firearms, right? But I use this stuff because it really dissolves everything. And not to mention the fact that because it's contact cleaner, this is safe for electronics. I've sprayed magnetos and alternators, stuff with copper wire, electronic motherboards. I've sprayed with this, and it's quick drying and doesn't leave a residue. So you guys may want to try this, but at your own risk. But I use this on pretty much everything that I do. So that's my brief video on the products that I use for cleaning. And these are the 3 go-to ones. You need these 3 things to properly clean your firearms. The CLP, the gun cleaner, and this little pocket oiler here. Really, really handy. Yes, it's only an ounce, right? But I mean, this will last for a long time. How much oil do you put on there? You know what I mean? So go check this stuff out. Don't take my word for it. Try it out yourselves, and let me know how you like it. Also, if you guys enjoy my channel, please consider buying one of my new stickers, the Angry Panda with the firearm. It helps keep the videos coming every few weeks or so whenever I have content that I decide to put on, such as this one, and really helps out the channel. I appreciate your support. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's gun cleaning products video. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
Okay, Tula. Oh, Jesus Christ.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.